Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a very unique color-changing hair growth shampoo. This shampoo has a beautiful pink color and is so very easy to make. The reason I love this shampoo is because it does three things at once. It cleanses the scalp, removes product buildup, and it also promotes hair growth. The base for the shampoo is Clitoria ternatia flowers. They are called blue butterfly pea flowers in English, Aparajita in Hindi, and Sangu Pushpam in Tamil. These flowers are commonly found all over India. But suppose if you don't have access to fresh flowers, you can easily order the dried flowers online too. Clitoria ternatia flower is full of antioxidants, and the tea made with it is commonly consumed all over the world for its wonderful antioxidant properties. The tea can be used for both skincare and hair care too. When used for hair care, it reduces inflammation and it strengthens the hair roots. The cool thing about Clitoria ternatia flower is it is pH sensitive and changes color when acidic ingredients are added to it. This shampoo can be made within 5 minutes. If you're suffering from product buildup, which usually happens if you use lot of chemical-based products, this shampoo will help remove it very effectively. This is a very fun recipe, perfect for making along with kids. They'll enjoy looking at the magical color change of the shampoo. Give it a try without fail. To make the Clitoria ternatia tea, take either 6 to 7 fresh or dried Clitoria ternatia flowers in a cup. Now add a quarter cup of water to it. Now boil this mixture on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes and then strain. To make the shampoo, take the prepared Clitoria ternatia tea in a cup. Add in a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to it. Now mix well with a whisk. Now you can see that the color of the tea has changed to a beautiful pink color. Now add in 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume to it. Finally, add a quarter cup of liquid Castile soap. Now mix well till everything is combined well together. Finally, add in 3 drops of either peppermint or rosemary essential oil. Mix well till the essential oil is combined well into the mixture. This shampoo will last well for 3 to 4 days at room temperature and more than 10 to 15 days in the fridge. If you prefer, you can add in natural preservatives free of parabens. I generally don't use preservatives, so I store it in the fridge. To use, take the shampoo and apply it on wet hair. Massage for a few seconds and then wash it off. Adding apple cider vinegar to the shampoo makes it very effective in removing product buildup. And it also treats dandruff well, so try not to skip it. And it also extends the shelf life a bit. This shampoo is ideal for all hair types. I always prefer to use liquid Castile soap in this recipe. Nowadays, we get good unscented liquid Castile soaps online. I prefer liquid Castile soap base because usually they contain pure vegetable oils like extra virgin olive oil and coconut oil. And they also do not contain any color or synthetic preservatives. If you find this recipe a bit drying on your hair, increase the amount of aloe vera gel. Adjust the ingredients in this recipe to suit your hair type. But suppose if you don't want to use liquid Castile soap, you can use mild baby shampoo too. Along with cleaning the scalp and hair well, Clitoria ternatia tea, peppermint essential oil, and aloe vera gel added to the recipe will help promote hair growth too. Do give this recipe a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.